Hi everyone. In this quick tip, we'll cover how to offboard a user in Devolutions Server, transfer their user vault, and restore it later if needed. Start by going to Administration and click on Users. Select the user you want to delete, click on More, and click on Delete. A pop-up will appear asking if you'd like to transfer the user vault to a shared vault. If you need to, you can always rename the shared vault name. Then you'll need to assign vault owners. Go ahead and click the ellipsis here. Then assign one or more users or user groups who will have access to this shared vault. When you're done selecting the user, go ahead and click on OK. Next, go ahead and click on Send to Deleted Users List, and it will send the user to the deleted users list here. Now, if we go to the vault list on the left side menu, we can see that Ellen Ross's user vault has been transferred to a shared vault. We can go ahead and click on the vault here, and we can see the information that was in our user vault. Now, if you ever need to restore the user that was deleted, you can go back to Administration and click on Users, then go in the View Deleted Users list, and you can find the deleted user. Then from there, you can click on Restore. It's important to know that when you're restoring a user, it does not automatically restore the user with its user vault. As we can see here, the user doesn't have any user vault at the moment. The best way to do this would be for the administrator to go to the shared vault now, export that vault, then using Devolution Send, the administrator will be able to send that exported vault to the user, and then from there, the user will be able to go in his user vault, then click on the plus icon here, and import the vault from there. And that's it. You now know how to offboard a user in Devolutions Server, preserve their user vault, and restore it later if needed. As always, if you'd like to know more, feel free to consult our documentation and knowledge base articles.